Welcome to this video where we will be discussing the frequently asked questions about termite treatment cost in Tucson. If you are a homeowner and have seen termite infestation in your property, you must be wondering about the cost of termite treatment. In this video, we will answer some common questions that most homeowners have regarding termite treatment cost in Tucson. The average cost of termite treatment in Tucson varies depending on the size of your property, the extent of termite infestation, and the type of termite treatment method used. For example, if you have a small property with minimal termite damage, the cost can range from $300 to $500. However, for larger properties with more extensive damage, the cost can go up to $2,500 or more. The cost of termite treatment in Tucson depends on various factors such as the size of the property, the severity of termite infestation, the type of treatment method used, and the contractor you choose. Additionally, the type of termites found on your property, such as subterranean termites or drywood termites, can also affect the cost of the treatment. It is recommended to get an inspection from a professional termite exterminator to determine the actual cost of termite treatment. There are various termite treatment methods available in Tucson, including liquid treatments, baiting systems, and fumigation. Liquid treatments involve applying termiticide on the soil around the property to create a barrier that prevents termites from entering. Baiting systems involve placing termite baits around the property to attract and eliminate the termites. Fumigation involves covering the entire property in a tent and using chemicals to eliminate the termites. That's all for this video about termite treatment cost in Tucson. We hope that we were able to answer some of your questions and provide you with a better understanding of the cost and treatment methods available. Remember, it is always best to contact a professional termite exterminator to get your property inspected and treated for termite infestation.